Beautiful brick, vinyl-sided home on a lovely, quiet street in Warrington Hall. Amazing open floor plan, well loved, with new luxury vinyl plank and fresh painted 2-story home. Kitchen features quartz counters, pendant lights, high-end I Live gold accented gas range west/gorgeous gold-plated pot filler. Knockdown plaster finish on all walls, hardwood-stained steps, and railings. 4 generously sized bedrooms upstairs, including wainscoting in one of the bedrooms. Primary ensuite is a great getaway upstairs, with plenty of room featuring walk-in closets, a jetted tub, a separate shower, and new carpeting. New fans throughout and many other features, including a private backyard patio and a large 2-car attached garage. The community of Warrington Hall has lots of amenities, including a clubhouse, playground, tennis and pickleball courts, and a swimming pool. What a gem of a neighborhood for